From the air, Sevieta National Wildlife Refuge is a vast, broad valley, bounded by rugged mountains on the east and west, and divided by a flowing ribbon of water, the gleaming Rio Grande. The many different biomes of Sevieta National Wildlife Refuge sustain an amazing variety of plant and animal life. At first, this wild landscape may seem empty, quiet, and still, a place of watching and waiting until under the surface calm, another ecosystem swims into focus. Red shiners, round-tailed chub, and long-nosed dace. Down to the tiny endangered Rio Grande silvery minnow, and an even smaller world of insects. Hundreds of different species of insects, in all life stages, from eggs to larvae to adults, depend on this dense tangle of shade and shelter along the riverbank. These native willow trees, giant cottonwoods, and small shrubs form a long green ribbon or riparian zone for miles along the river. Many plants and animals of this area, especially migratory songbirds, depend on this distinctive cottonwood and willow ecosystem to survive. Other animals visit the river to drink, to graze, or to hunt. But they spend most of their time in other parts of this diverse landscape. Grassland birds find the nutritious insects, seeds, and grasses they need in Sevieta's wide expanse of short grass prairie. Small mammals, other ground-dwelling creatures, and insects find safety here. They often make their homes underground, where the lengthy roots of prairie grasses seek water. Larger animals, such as American pronghorns, graze these nutritious grasses and then move on. The Chihuahuan Desert is a hot, dry place. Short, shrubby plants like creosote bush and honey mesquite survive with little moisture. Succulent plants, yuccas, agaves, and cacti hold precious water in their stems and narrow leaves. Some desert insects can even pierce through tough plant stems to get a drink. Many small mammals and reptiles live in underground burrows to escape the daytime heat. Then they surface at night to roam and feed as the desert cools under clear, starlit skies. Other desert dwellers rise with the sun to begin their day. As the temperature rises, these uniquely adapted desert animals release heat through elongated body parts, like the jackrabbit's big long ears. A short hop and we transition to a whole new world. The shrub steppe is a high, dry part of the Colorado Plateau. Birds hide, nest, and feed on thick, bushy sagebrush, saltbrush, and rabbitbrush. Roadrunners dart among the shrubs, searching for a potential meal. And mule deer eat this tough plant's leaves, especially during a long, cold winter. The snow lingers in the pinyon juniper woodlands, high above the valley. These evergreen woodlands may be sparse savannas with few big trees, or dense mountain forests where large mammals prowl. On the mountaintops, this unique forest ecosystem almost seems as isolated as an island, a sky island protruding high above the desert grasses and shrubs. The most powerful predators live in these wild, rugged slopes to hunt, to breed, to survive. Today, Sevieta National Wildlife Refuge protects all these diverse biomes and hundreds of wild creatures, all living within an hour's drive of Albuquerque, the state's largest city. Sevieta, a short but remarkable journey to a fascinating world.